Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the opening scene in Macbeth. Let's start. The opening scene of Macbeth is a short scene consisting of just 11 lines. But within the space of these 11 lines, Shakespeare has worked wonders. Shakespeare always excels in his opening scenes. In Macbeth's opening, he excels himself. The story of this play opens in Scotland during a time of war, in thunder and lightning, not far from the place of battle. Three witches meet on a lonely heath. They discuss when and where they will meet again. They gather that they will meet when the turmoil is over and when the battle ends with victory for one side and defeat for the other. They decide to meet Macbeth on the open heath. They disappear through the fog and fill the air with the cryptic saying, "Fear is foul and foul is fear." The scene grips our minds instantly. Nothing is said clearly. We are told a battle that is going, but not of contending parties involved in it. The Weird Sisters' purpose is to meet Macbeth. Of Macbeth, we are told nothing except the mention of his name. We do not know the motives of the Weird Sisters in deciding to meet him. Hence, things are very much vague and very much smoky. The opening scene strikes the keynote of the play. It creates an atmosphere of foreboding and of impending doom. There is an atmosphere of darkness and evil throughout the play. The world of Macbeth is a world of moral disorder and spiritual confusion. This is the sort of world which the play unfolds. But in spite of being marked by an air of vagueness, the scene is definitely heart gripping. It is fitting prelude to the world of mystery and horror that the action of the drama has in store for us. We are at once startled by the appearance of these mysterious creatures who lay the very foundation of the supernatural atmosphere that will hold us enthralled throughout the drama. The scene itself is an artful construction. According to Coleridge, the words of the witches suggest the keynote of the whole drama, namely the triumph of evil. With the words of the witches, we are pushed in a world of moral anarchy. The opening scene is undoubtedly an inseparable part of the whole dramatic design. It will be very much unfair to consider the scene as an un-Shakespearean interpolation having little or no relevance to the dramatic action of Macbeth. It has rightly been observed by Bartley that there is probably no parallel to the scene. So, we cannot agree with the Cunningham who said that the scene is un-Shakespearean and the action of the play can do without it. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.